What is going on? It is your boy Solo E in the building, and in this video we're actually going to be doing something, and I'm actually going to be showing you something. Now what I'm going to be showing you is very simple, and I'm going to be showing you Google/YouTube ads. Now I know a lot of people don't really double down on this. Most importantly, I know a lot of people honestly don't really use this as their marketing strategy, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is a huge benefit to use, especially if you're trying to grow one thing in specific. So first, let's talk about this. This video, first and foremost, is sponsored by DistroKid, and more about that later. But let's look into why YouTube ads is so important. So if you guys, let's say, have a structure of what you want to promote, and on top of that, let's say that you have a goal of what you want overall, well, guess what? Let's say you want to blow up on YouTube, or let's say maybe you want to have a decent size subscriber fan base just on YouTube, or maybe your other scenario would be, hey, I want more views, or hey, I actually want people to see my content, like my actual videos, so they can obviously see who I am, showcase my talent by looking at me, my image, my music, what I'm about, and how I go about doing everything. Well, guess what? That's where YouTube ads come in play. So if you, let's say, maybe focus more on Facebook ads, is more so on just obviously building the overall audience, but I feel like YouTube is a missing part that you should really focus on. Be honest with you, if you pay close attention, you will literally see right here, right now, I'm showing you guys that I just put out this music video. By the way, make sure you guys do me one huge favor, comment on this video, show your boy some love. If you guys want free access to one of my music course, comment on this video, the ride video, show me some love, and guess what? In the next video, I will announce the winner. But if you guys look closely, you see that I have literally over 11K views. And honestly, I build subscribers through this here. But what's really most important is that the view count and the subscriber count that I'm getting off it, and the feedback overall. This is what you guys need for your videos. So let's talk about it. So if you guys haven't watched my previous video on Google Ads, make sure you watch that. It kind of dabbed down a little bit on how to get it all started and so forth. What I'm really trying to do is explain why this is so effective, so you guys can honestly use this on your next project. So if you look closely right now, we have a couple campaigns that's going on in my Google ad account. So in my Google ad account, I have right now 2 videos that I am promoting, but what I'm really doing is very simple. So I'm running 2 campaigns right now on my ride, actually really 1 right now, just because I did in one of the campaigns, but I'm restarted up after I look at the data. But otherwise, guys, here's basically what we're looking at. So we're going to pay attention to the previous month. So let's do last month. We're going to look at all of the analytics, right? So if you guys pay close attention, you pretty much see Solo E Ride Discover ads. Now, what is the Discover ad? So if you guys look, a Discover ad is basically how it sounds. When you pop up on the side, you will see that thumbnail. Boom. This works very well for subscribers. Very well for subscribers. If you're looking for in-stream ads, what is in-stream ads? If you're looking basically right here, in-stream ads is basically when somebody click a video, that ad shows. Now, here's the beauty of in-stream ads. This is beautiful because you have a higher view rate. Let's say within 30 seconds, YouTube will not, or Google will not charge you until they watch at least 30 seconds or over 30 seconds. I believe it's over 30 seconds. So this is a huge benefit to get more views. And this is why I'm doing 2 different campaigns. So if you guys want the subscribers, focus on discovery ads, because what this is really doing is actually giving you the actual people that wants to click the song. When you throwing something in their face and it may not be their actual tune, or it may not be their actual jam they like, or their style they like, of course you're going to get that content, that view, but you might not get that actual audience or that actual fan that you're looking for if you decide to do discovery ads. Now we're going to dive more into this, but before we do that, I want to mention DistroKid. I honestly use DistroKid a lot. I mean, right now my ride joint is through DistroKid. The reason why I like DistroKid is, for one, you guys get 100% of your actual royalties, which is huge for me. Not only that, but you do have full control when it comes to your music. So when you guys use that link that is down below, you can sign up, basically get started. If you do use the link down below, you do get 7% off. So definitely go ahead and take that advantage. But all you have to do is just sign up. I'm gonna just sign in because I already have an account. And as you guys see, I already have Ride here. And this is that single that I was showing you guys. But the reason why I like this is very easy to use. It's not complex at all. You can literally get straight to it. Most importantly is the split. So if you guys are working with a producer or you're doing a collab, this is a huge benefit. You can add your own splits. Another benefit is you can add your lyrics, sync your lyrics. So when you have it on Instagram or you have it on Facebook, you know, the lyrics that pops up, that's basically what you're getting here. Also, you guys can create your own motion graphic picture, which is huge. I use this a lot when it comes to marketing my music. If I don't have a music video, I'm using that. I feel like, honestly, the best content is the raw footage, but motion is huge. Unless you just have an outstanding image. But honestly, y'all, I'm telling you right now, that will work 10 times better than just an image. All right. Other than that, guys, you can pretty much customize, like what I said, everything as far as the record label, the stores. You know, you can do this store maximizer. Basically what that is every time a new streaming site comes on or whatever, it will automatically get added without you having to do it manually. But yeah, that's pretty much why I like using DistroKid. It's straight to the point, easy process, gets your song on there ASAP. I mean, what more can you ask for? You know, I'm not looking for all them little high gadgets or them little features. Sometimes a lot of these other places, I'm not gonna dash nobody or bash nobody, they don't really offer, they say they offer the services, but they don't really, you know, do well with the services. So DistroKid has always been my best friend and still is. So make sure you use the link down below to sign up. So back to what I was saying earlier, basically guys, when it comes to using stream ad or in-stream ads, you definitely want to use that for views. And then discovery ads, you definitely want to use that for like your subscribers. Now, one other thing I do want to mention is that when you guys decide to go in this actual or go for using Google ads, you want to try to play around and see what works best for you. We have different ways to go about it. You can do something called placements. Basically what that means is somebody YouTube channel, maybe you have the same style as Travis Scott or Migos, you can just literally put your music, or you can literally target that audience fan base only. This is why I honestly like this better than Facebook when it comes to running stuff like this, because you can get that targeted. Yes, you can do that with, of course, Facebook, but I mean, seriously guys, if you have a straight Travis Scott fan and they only listen to Travis Scott and you just know your music fits in very well with that, your stuff is only going to be seen in any of his videos or whatever, you know. So I highly recommend playing around with that, and also looking into keywords. Keywords is huge. Of course, when somebody search up something, either your discovery ad will pop up or your in-stream ad will pop up in one of those videos. So check that out. Let me know how you guys feel about it. Otherwise, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to always drop you some more gems. Once again, your boy Solo. See you guys next time. Let's get it.